Scoring 300 plus in JAMB Examination is not all about how much you study. It is about how you study. Most students fail because they treat JAMB syllabus as a giant ocean trying to swallow everything at once. They end up studying the wrong things, the wrong ways, and at the wrong time. Let's be honest, physics and chemistry are tough because of many principles, formulas, and calculations, which can feel overwhelming. But what if you had a roadmap that simplified these difficult topics into steps you actually understand? That is exactly why Academic Exploit is launching a free intensive 2026 JAMB tutorials for all science students starting February 4th. And you know what? This tutorial is not just a lesson series. It's going to be a tactical breakdown. We are going to provide 100% free lesson sections specifically designed to help you score 300 plus in the JAMB Examination 2026. Here are some of the benefits of our tutorial. 1. A complete blueprint to effectively cover the JAMB syllabus. 2. Know exactly where JAMB pulls their questions from every single year. 3. Intensive lessons in physics and chemistry. 4. Proven tips to answer questions faster and more accurately. 5. Free study materials and guides to boost your preparation. And 6. Weekly interactive sections. You can't afford to miss out on this for any reason in this world. The best time to position yourself for success is right now. Click the link in the description of this video or check the pinned comment to join our private WhatsApp community right now. I'll see you in the first class.